Ain't no way. I was scrolling through the gram this morning and I saw your story. Honestly, I'm offended. I'm tight. Youngblood, you out here acting like a billionaire philanthropist, but instead of building schools or feeding the hungry, you're building a VIP section for a girl who wouldn't even like your pictures for free if you wasn't holding the bottle. You are paying the Simp Tax. You think that $300 dinner at the steakhouse is an investment? You think taking a luxury Turo rental just to pick her up is motion? Stop the cap. You are performing for an audience that is checking their phone under the table every 5 minutes to see if a guy with real money texted them back. You're spending 40% of your monthly take-home pay just to get 2% of her attention. The math is failing. Your ego is winning, but your bank account is in the ICU on a ventilator. My name is Big Frank, and today we're exposing the Simp Tax. We're looking at how the chasing baddies lifestyle is the fastest way to stay dusty while looking flashy. If you're tired of being the main sponsor for everyone else's lifestyle while you stay broke, smash that subscribe button right now. Don't be a smooth brain NPC. Lock in, because before we dive into the math of why you losing, you need to see what happens when you go out into the world without a plan. You end up like Jamal, waking up to a nightmare because he wasn't tracking his motion. Look at this.
Yeah. Gotta hit play vibes, yeah. We see how to hit play vibes, yeah. Living this slow life, but the money stay high. Pouring out the mud, watch the time fly by. I've been on the grind 24, no sleep. Keep 100 round drawn for the ops in the street. Yeah, we came from the trenches, now we strictly in the hills. Only time I'm feeling normal when I'm popping on these pills. Ain't no falling back, no, I gotta get the bag. Put a 50 in the safe, put 100 in the stash. Straight out the mud, I had to go get it. I wanted a ticket, I stayed independent. Jumping the demon, I'm pushing the limit. Look at my neck, it took water to whip it. I'm with the slums and we stand on the business. Too many rats, it's gonna take me a minute. Switch up the flow, had to give me some motion. Sipping on purr like I'm drinking a potion. Yeah, I cut off the face, they was doing the most. Now I'm in the phantom, I look like a ghost. Young, rich, nurture, I'm making a toast. Ain't doing no talking, doing the next. Living this slow life, but the money stay high. Pouring up the mud, watch the time fly by. I've been on the grind 24, no sleep. Keep 100 round drawn for the ops in the street. Yeah, we came from the trenches, now we strictly in the hills. Only time I'm feeling normal when I'm popping on these pills. Ain't no falling back, nah, I gotta get the bag. Put a 50 in the safe, put 100 in the stash. Yeah. Sippin' codeine, now to hurry up. I don't trust a soul, keep the glizzy tough. If it ain't about the paper, I don't give a fuck. Bought a brand new AP, it's flooded with ice. They didn't believe me, I had to pay the price. Rolling up excited, smoking about a pound. Every time I drop, yeah, I shut down the town. We really outside, ain't no capping on the net. Put a bounty on his head, put a price on the neck. Living this slow life, but the money stay high. Pouring out the mud, watch the time fly by. I've been on the grind 24.
Son of a God-forsaken. Chris, cue the music. Kill it right now.
Bluetooth disconnected.
The hell is wrong with you, dog? You look cooked. 19 grand on one night? How? How much did you drop last night? I only dropped 7 grand, bro. Kept it right in the budget. 7? You spent 7? Bruh. You bought more drinks than me, you had more girls around you all night, you sat in that racing sim for 2 hours, you even covered Dre's table fee. How are you at 7 and I'm at 19? Because I knew exactly how much I was spending the whole time. What do you mean you knew? Expense. I set a budget before we even left the house. The app tracked every transaction as it happened, no manual login, no guessing at the end of the night. Every time I got close to my limit, it flagged me, so I adjusted. You just kept going. It even has a built-in AI coach called Mochi that studies your spending and tells you where your money is going and how to be smarter about it. Bruh, this is elite. Why am I just finding out about this now? You want to know the best part? It works without your bank. No account linking, no personal details, nothing. You stay in full control of your own data. And it's free. Say less, fam. Send me the link right now. Done. Pre-register on the Play Store right now. They're giving early users premium features and an exclusive Founders Badge that's not going to be up forever. Scan the code or hit the link in the description.
Now, like I was saying, Chris had the right play. He was tracking his motion. But let's talk about why Jamal was in that situation in the first place. Why was he even in a position to drop 19 bands on a Saturday night? It's because he's addicted to the validation bribe. Let's look at the date night math, because some of y'all are doing arithmetic with a box of crayons. You take a girl you met 48 hours ago on an app to a high-end steakhouse. You drop $300 on some medium rare beef, a bottle of overpriced grapes, and a side of mashed potatoes that cost $4 to make. You think you showing standard. Nah, fam, you're being used as a human UberEats. You aren't him, you're just a free meal with a suit on. She's not laughing at your jokes. She's laughing at how easy it was to get you to swipe that card. And don't even get me started on the rental trap. You went and spent $250 to rent a flashy convertible for the weekend just to pick her up. You driving through the city at 10 miles per hour because you terrified of a scratch, sweating through your designer shirt. You trying to buy her respect with a car that's got to be back at the Hertz lot by 9 a.m. Monday morning. Do the math, young blood. If you spend $1,200 a month on dating expenses, but you only take home $4,000, you are working one full week every month just to pay for a stranger's dessert. That is a 25% simp tax on your entire existence. You are literally subsidizing her lifestyle while your own savings account is in a coma. You think you're the player, but you're just a sponsor. You are the unpaid intern for the baddie economy. That is nasty work, dead ass. Let's talk about ROI, return on investment, because logically, your smooth brain is currently out for lunch. When you put money into an asset, it feeds you. When you put money into a VIP section, it just feeds your ego and everyone else's stomach. You out here dropping $3,000 on bottles for a table of girls who don't even know your last name. What's the return? A 5-second clip on your IG story and a headache that lasts until Wednesday? Young blood, those girls aren't at the table because of your aura. They're at the table because of the ice bucket. If that bottle runs dry, they're moving to the next section faster than a glitch in a matrix. You're paying a premium for fake attention. You are literally buying a subscription to lies. Stop glazing a lifestyle that is designed to leave you ashy. And here is the part that's gonna hurt. Let's talk about the ghost of future past. You think it's cute now because you're 24. You think you got time. But if you keep paying the simp tax, you're going to blink and be 36 years old, still standing in that same section. But the vibe is going to be different, fam. You're going to be the dusty unk in the corner. You the guy trying to talk to girls who could be your nieces, wearing a designer shirt that's 3 sizes too small, trying to stay relevant. While your homies who locked in are posting pictures of their new homes and their businesses, you still posting blurry videos of a hookah pipe at 4 a.m. talking about we outside. Yeah, you outside. You outside of success. You outside of stability. You traded your empire for a hangover. You traded your assets for applause from people who won't even check on you when you're down bad. That is a mathematical tragedy. You are building a monument to your own insecurity while your future is in the dumpster. Make it make sense. Type shit. So, how do we break the loop? How do you stop being the bag man for everybody else's dreams? You gotta stop chasing and start building. You need monk mode. I want you to take all that simp tax money, the $300 dinners, the bottle service, the rental whips, and I want you to ghost the scene for 6 months. If you took that $1,200 a month you're burning on temporary validation and put it into a high-yield asset or your own business, you'd have over $7,000 in half a year. That's not a flex, that's a foundation. Stop trying to buy aura with a credit card. Real aura comes from having a bank account that allows you to say no. Real motion is the ability to walk away from any table because you already own the building. Build your own garden, young blood. Stop running across the field trying to catch butterflies that are just going to fly away anyway. If you spend your time building a beautiful garden, the butterflies will come to you. And even if they don't, you still got a beautiful garden. You win either way. The choice is yours. You can keep performing for a broke gallery that's waiting for you to crash out, or you can lock in, stack your bread, and become a true heavyweight. Stop letting your ego audit your future. Be the architect of your own empire, not the sponsor of someone else's weekend. The math don't lie, and neither does Big Frank. If this video woke you up and saved you from paying the Simp Tax this weekend, smash that like button and subscribe to Heavyweight Invest. We building bosses over here, not background characters. Stay sharp, stay liquid, stay dangerous. I'm out.